What's up, everybody? Welcome to Season 2, Episode 3.
Hey, that's John right there.
And this is Oscar.
Welcome back to RIV Talks, where we talk about some really fun things that are going to be happening throughout the school year. Yeah, but man, we have some new stuff coming up,
A lot of stuff coming, dude.
Right, so we want to give you the updates.
Yep, fun updates.
Hit the
you
updates.
want me to hit it right away?
Yeah,
all right,
hit the
here we
first
go.
one.
So, returning events, we have soccer shootout, soccer 1 versus 1, 1v1, sumo, color run, and collect the moon rocks, golf, and Steam Expo.
Oh man, but
go ahead.
Say it, man. I know you always like to interrupt me, but go say it.
Oh wow, we're gonna start throwing shade on episode 3.
No. Bring it back.
Here we go.
Bring it back.
All right, rewind. Go.
Okay. The new stuff that's coming out, but also to bring out the fact that we're changing
All the rules.
all the rules, but also robots.
Oh yes.
We have to make sure they understand that. I know we named all these events.
We mentioned it in last month's episode.
Right, but we got to make sure they understand that we're going Vex IQ now.
Vex IQ.
Again, as John said before, much love to Lego, but you know what? This is what we're hitting right now with Vex. So Vex,
IQ,
if you're listening,
I see you.
we can always
Send us
use
some money, boo boo. we can always use the funding to help get schools involved, and also show some awesome product. You guys have created a really great robot that we've used now. It's going to be, year 2 of using their product?
Yes, 2.
Because we have a before the nonprofit and after the nonprofit.
Yeah, so we're,
Before the nonprofit.
Right.
We had Vex already coming in, or not yet?
No, we were primarily Lego.
So Vex, you've been with us since we started the nonprofit.
Right. So, but you guys have to make sure you guys stay tuned because you're going to have to listen closely to all the new rules that are going to be coming out
Game
for
videos
all the
will be
events.
coming out, game changes, all of that.
So make sure you guys you're listening. If you're, obviously if you're watching right now, you've been subscribed. But if not, let those other people know. Subscribe. You guys will be on.
Follow us.
Yeah, follow us and make sure you
The
guys.
video is not over yet, though.
No. Now.
You want to tackle this one, or you want me to tackle this one?
I'll tackle this one.
Tackle it, dude. This is a big one. This is a big deal.
Big brand new thing that we're going to be doing this year. We have the Steam Expo, which went fairly well last year.
It was hard.
Look at Jen back there. She's all happy.
Santa Monica did it.
Yeah, Jen.
Good job, Santa Monica.
Yeah, it's nice job, Santa Monica.
They did a great job. Balboa, you did a great job as well. I have to represent.
Yes.
Can't leave my school behind. It was hard.
That last one, the Rube Goldberg, that was not easy.
It was brutal.
Yeah. But this year, we got a big challenge for you guys.
And it's impactful because it will be something that will affect the RIV family for future generations.
Now, this year, you're going to be creating your own game. That is nuts. And when I mean own game, you're creating the game for RIV itself. So that means you're going to design it. You're going to build it. You're going to prototype it. You're going to lay out all the components. You're going to lay out how the rules are done. That is your job for the next Steam Expo. But even more, we want to see your creativity.
Yep.
We want to see your art behind it. Your engineering skills. What else?
Well, within certain boundaries.
Yes.
Because they're as creative as we all want to be, there are limits to what mats we can create at the current moment.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason I bring that up within boundaries, because the winner of that event will not only claim a trophy, but
say it.
Will be featured in future games for the following year. It will be the new game for the new season of 2026-2027 school year.
And that means that your school is the one who created that game, and it'll be repped all kinds of places. Not only that,
in all our schools.
It's going to be in the merch.
There will be a special pin drop just for your game.
And it'll have all your names on it. You'll have your specific merch that has your school.
Rewind, not all your names.
Not student names.
The pin is 1 inch.
Yeah. but the other merch will have your school name showing that you did.
And the mat will showcase your school name.
Yeah, your mat will showcase your school
name.
name.
And team name of creators.
Yes.
Yep.
So we are excited for that event.
And I'm going to throw something that I didn't even tell you that I want to throw. I'm going to throw it in.
Oh,
the winner of that event, I'm going to go rogue.
Oh, you see?
I got the eyes rolling.
The big eye roll.
The winner of that event will be asked to come on this podcast.
Yes.
Oh,
I like that.
Now, you see,
Yeah, I
there
like
was
that.
doubt and hesitation, but the winner of that Steam Expo will A, lock in that future game, B, create custom merch pins around them, C, be a special guest on one of our episodes for the following year.
And you said C, D, that map, 3 years. That's what we always say.
3 year lockdown.
So that
game will be
means
in
your
for 3
map
years.
be out there for 3 years. So your school gets repped for 3 years. So, wow,
Yep.
that's big.
That's a big deal. That's a lot.
And then don't worry, we'll make sure when we're getting close to launching that, we'll give you all the parameters, what you're allowed to big, all that stuff.
Schools.
Yeah, that'll be all sent out
This
to
is
your
a good
coaches.
time to plug our newsletter.
Yes. Oh, wow.
We should mention that we have a monthly newsletter going out. There's tons of crucial information on that newsletter. If you necessarily can't dedicate the time to the podcast or can't dedicate the time to the Instagram, check out the newsletter. It's in your email. It gives you all the details and all the information you're going to need. It's also accessible on our website in case you don't have access to the email.
Yep. Rallying the Valley.
Sorry, I had to shout it out.
No, you have to. We want
Jen
people to know
put
that
so
we're
much
out
work
there.
into that. You put so much work into that.
No, that's all Jen, man. I won't even take credit for that one. No, that's all Jen.
I just look at it and appreciate the labor and love.
When we remind him to look at it, right? Yes, yeah.
Okay, Jen cam. We get the rolling eyes. We need to get a camera
on her. Jen. That rolling eyes.
The rolling eyes are her. Like, we need a shirt with Jen just rolling her eyes. Hashtag the old man pin.
No man pin.
Those who know. Those who know. That's an inside joke.
So you gotta follow us. You gotta see what we're doing. You gotta, watch us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram, and you'll see all the new stuff coming out.
Everything will be coming out soon. We'll be updating everybody. We'll be hosting some in-person meetings and trainings.
Right.
To get everybody up to date where you guys need to be. All that information will be dropped soon. Just keep up with our Instagram.
And we have a lot of new exciting stuff coming up within RIV itself, within the board itself too. So we're gonna be dropping a lot of stuff out there. I mean, we're excited. We're gonna have a big, fun, full year of new events coming out. Old events, from esports to, oh my gosh, we have a lot of stuff going on.
We have esports, drone competitions coming this year. We have the traditional rally in the Valley Robotics. So three major events.
Right.
With all different components on their own. Schools can participate in whatever they want. You can hand select, or you can take on the bundle.
Yes.
Do all three, which
we'll talk about that soon.
Later.
Yeah. So make sure you guys are following us, and we'll always thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys.
Thank you for being part of the RIV Talks family.
And if you want to volunteer and become part of this organization, please go to our website and check out the giant volunteer button.
And if you know someone who's willing to donate to our organization, there's another big tab on there. Hit that donate tab, and any donations are always welcome.
They help out. Yep.
Yes.
And they keep us going. They keep our schools able to do the things that we want to do.
Right. So thanks everybody for watching.
Everyone. Have a great one.
Yeah.